Number 1. 1973 Oldsmobile 98 LS, listed for $5,500 in Salina, Kansas. This 1973 Oldsmobile 98 LS is a classic full-size luxury sedan. It features an automatic transmission and comes in a distinctive green exterior paired with a matching green interior, which highlights its vintage charm. This car runs on gasoline and is a prime example of American automotive design from the 1970s. The Oldsmobile 98 LS is known for its smooth ride and spacious, comfortable cabin. This particular model has been well maintained, with the seller noting that it is paid off, making it a straightforward purchase for anyone interested in adding a classic to their collection. Given its age and the era it represents, this Oldsmobile is likely to appeal to enthusiasts looking for a project or a reliable vintage cruiser. The price reflects its condition and the unique appeal of this classic sedan. Number 2. 1974 Ford Gran Torino Elite, listed for $4,600 in Carrollton, Missouri. This 1974 Ford Gran Torino Elite is a classic American muscle car that combines style and performance. Featuring an automatic transmission, this Gran Torino comes in a rich brown exterior color paired with a tan interior, giving it a timeless, vintage look. The seller mentions that they've invested around $4,600 into getting this car road ready, which includes numerous new parts, although specific details aren't listed. The car is in good condition, with a clean title, making it ready for its next owner to drive it home. The Ford Gran Torino Elite is a unique model known for its combination of luxury and muscle car attributes, making it a great option for classic car enthusiasts. Whether you're looking for a weekend cruiser or a project with potential, this Gran Torino Elite offers a solid foundation at a reasonable price. Number 3. 1963 Chevrolet Chevy Van G10, listed for $4,500 in Byron Center, Michigan. This 1963 Chevrolet Chevy Van G10 is a classic van perfect for restoration or customization. With an automatic transmission and a striking red exterior, this vintage van is a great candidate for a project vehicle. The seller highlights that the frame is solid, making it a good foundation for either an engine swap or a full restoration. The engine was running fine last year, but the van has since been parked, leaving some work to be done. The sale includes lots of extra parts, providing valuable resources for anyone looking to bring this classic back to life. Although no trades are accepted, the price is firm, making this a straightforward deal for classic van enthusiasts. This G10 offers a blend of vintage charm and restoration potential, making it an exciting opportunity for a hands-on project. Number 4. 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, listed for $4,000 in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This 1979 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a solid project car with plenty of potential. Sporting a matching brown exterior and interior, this Monte Carlo is powered by a V8 267 engine known for its reliable performance. The car runs and drives well, making it a good starting point for restoration or customization. The seller notes that the car needs a new gas tank and the trunk doesn't shut properly, which are the primary issues to address. However, aside from these, the vehicle is described as a good, solid project. With one owner and a clean title, this Monte Carlo offers a classic, unaltered foundation for anyone looking to invest in a piece of automotive history. No trades are being accepted, so the $4,000 asking price is firm. Number 5. 1975 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, listed for $4,500 in Humansville, Missouri. This 1975 Chevrolet Monte Carlo presents a solid opportunity for a restoration project. The vehicle features a blue exterior, complemented by a 350 engine paired with a 350 transmission. While it runs, drives, and stops, the seller emphasizes that the car looks better in pictures than in person, and highlights several areas that need attention. The car has patched floors, though the work isn't of the best quality and could benefit from being redone. The radiator currently installed has a leak, but the seller includes a brand new radiator in the sale. Additionally, the windshield is cracked, which will need replacement. Despite these issues, all lights and the heater are functional, and the Monte Carlo comes with its original air conditioning components. This car is best suited for someone looking to restore a classic, as it requires some work to bring it back to its former glory. With a clean title and everything included, this Monte Carlo could be a rewarding project for the right buyer. Number 6. 1973 Ford Gran Torino, listed for $4,500 in Durham, Connecticut. This 1973 Ford Gran Torino is a largely original example that offers a solid foundation for a classic car enthusiast. Featuring a brown exterior, this Gran Torino is equipped with a 351 Cleveland 2V engine, a C4 automatic transmission, and a 9-inch rear end. The seller notes that the car is bone stock and runs excellently, which is increasingly rare for 1970s models. This Torino comes with factory air conditioning with all components intact. It sits on Magnum 500 wheels, enhancing its classic muscle car appeal. The frame, rockers, fenders, and radiator support are all reported to be solid, which is crucial for a restoration project. However, there are some rust spots on the body, as well as 2 areas in the floor and 2 in the trunk that will need attention. The interior needs some work too, including the installation of new carpet. Overall, this Gran Torino presents a good opportunity for someone looking to restore a classic muscle car with much of its original character intact. With a solid frame and original components, it's a promising project car for the right buyer. Number 7. 1976 Chevrolet Nova, listed for $4,000 in Owensboro, Kentucky. This 1976 Chevrolet Nova is mostly original, with a gray exterior and red interior. It features a factory 305 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. The engine is tired and would benefit from a rebuild, making it a good candidate for a small block swap. The seller used it as a daily driver for years, and while it's rough around the edges, the car has its charm. The AC is non-functional and the car shows its age, but it's a solid Southern classic. Despite its imperfections, this Nova could be a rewarding project for someone looking to restore or modify a vintage vehicle. It's a rough classic with potential for the right buyer. Number 8. 1964 Plymouth Belvedere Crew Cab, listed for $2,800 in Jefferson, Georgia. This 1964 Plymouth Belvedere is a 4-door sedan with a green exterior and interior. It's powered by a Poly 318 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it even came stock with air conditioning, a rare feature for its time. This classic has a radio delete package and a push-button transmission, adding to its vintage charm. The car runs, but it needs brake work and a new fuel tank or fuel cell. The original tank has been removed, so the car will need to be towed. The seller is asking $2,800 cash, and the car comes with a clean title. For a classic car enthusiast, this Belvedere could be an excellent project with a lot of potential. Number 9. 1968 Chevrolet Impala sedan 4-door. Listed for $4,000 in Fort Payne, Alabama, this 1968 Chevrolet Impala is a 4-door sedan with a blue exterior and matching blue interior. It features an automatic transmission and runs and shifts well, according to the seller. The car is currently equipped with factory tires rather than rally wheels. The seller is firm on the price, asking $4,000 with a minimum acceptable offer of $30,800. No trades are considered, and the car comes with a clean title. This Impala could be a solid choice for someone looking for a classic car that's ready to drive with just a bit of TLC needed. Number 10. 1978 Chevrolet C10 Big Tens. Listed for just $950 in Bagley, Iowa, this 1978 Chevrolet C10 Big Ten is an affordable project truck. The exterior is green with a blue interior, and it comes with an automatic transmission. The truck does run, but you'll need to bring a battery and a gas can to start it. The front tires are in decent shape, and it features power steering, tilt wheel, and functional brakes. However, the truck needs transmission seals before it's drivable. The seller emphasizes that it has a clean title and is priced to sell quickly, making it an interesting option for someone looking to restore a classic C10 on a budget. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Classic Car Quest for more exciting classic car reviews. See you in the next video.